Namaste, I am Lokendra Saud. I am going to teach you about construction of angle, and under this construction of angle today I am going to tell the different types of angles, the definition and how to write the name of angles. Okay, about this. Let's start with the definition of angle. What is the meaning of angle? Let's start with it. Okay, now see here, the space, that space will be usually measured in degrees, okay, between two intersecting line or surface at or close to the point where they meet. Means when this line, look, PQ and this line QR, okay, these two lines are meeting at the point Q, the space between these two lines, this line and this line, is known as the angle. Okay, and there is, look, two points written about this angle, PQ and QR. PQ and QR are called the arms. Okay, and the point Q is the vertex where two lines PQ and QR intersect. Okay, when this line and this line intersect, means they will cut each other or they will touch each other, no problem. Okay, that point is known as vertex. Okay, and somebody will say vertices also, and that will be the plural form of vertex. Okay, don't worry about it, don't forget it. And let's see there another topic, that is methods to write the name of angles. Okay, there is some three methods. Okay, the first method is that we have to use these capital letters. Okay, P, Q, R, this is one name. Okay, and the name only you can write this name, vertex name, but it should be in capital letter, angle Q, or you can write another name, that is angle R, Q, P. Okay, among these three methods you can write any one. Okay, and what I suggest you, please, you can use the, okay, three letters one, that will be the best for, okay, this highlighting the name of angles. Okay, now let's move to the next point, types of angles. Okay, in types of angles, first of all I am going to tell you about acute angles. Okay, what is the meaning of acute angle? Let's see here, an angle where measurement is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Okay, example, there is given 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, etc. Okay, means those angles whose measurement is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree are called acute angles. Okay, and here is given one figure of that acute angle, x, y, z. This x, y, z angle, its measurement is 30 degree, that's why it is acute angle. Okay, let's start next topic, and that next topic is right angle. Okay, and what is the meaning of right angle? Let's start its definition. Okay, an angle whose measurement is exactly 90 degree is called right angle. Okay, example is given here below, this one, angle PQR equals to 90 degree. Okay, if the angle is exactly 90 degree, that is known as right angle. Okay, and please, my dear students, this, look here, there will be one symbol like this. Okay, this rectangular symbol also, maybe, or maybe this square symbol also. Okay, this symbol means it is the, okay, 90 degree. Okay, that's why this angle PQR, its measurement is exactly 90 degree, so that it is called right angle. Okay, let's move to the next type of angles. Okay, that is obtuse angle. That is obtuse angle. And what is the meaning of obtuse angle? Let's see. Okay, the angles whose measurement is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. There is a given example, 100 degree, 120 degree, 130 degree. 150 degree, etc. Okay, these all angles measurement is what? Greater than 90 degree but less than 100 degree. That's why these angles are known as obtuse angles. Okay, and here's given one of the figure, okay, of this obtuse angle. Look, angle ABC. Its name is angle ABC. Okay, ABC, or you can tell CBA, or you can tell angle B only, and its measurement is exactly 120 degree, which is greater than 90 but less than 180. That's why it is obtuse angle. Okay, now let's move to the next type of angle. Okay, straight angle. Okay, the name itself gives the definition of straight angle. Okay, it is straight. Okay, and here is the definition. Okay, an angle whose measurement is exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. Okay, whose measurement is exactly 180 degree. Okay, that is called straight angle. Look here, this figure is the figure of straight angle. Okay, angle PQR. Look, PQR. Okay, its measurement is 180 degree. 180 degree. Okay, that's why it is straight angle. Now let's move to the next type of angles. Okay, okay, reflex angle. What is the meaning of reflex angle? Okay, let's see its definition. The angles whose measurement is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree are called reflex angle. Okay, there's an example: 200 degree, 270 degree, 280 degree, 300 degree. These all are what? Greater than 180 degree but less than 360. That's why these all angles are what? Reflex angle. Okay, this angles figure is not shown here because I'm going to teach you after this class. Okay, I'm going to teach you the construction of the angles. Okay, which are from 0 degree to 180 degree. Okay, between them only we'll do the construction. Okay, that's why this figure is not included here. Okay, and after this, look here, there is complete angle. What is the meaning of complete angle? Okay, we can tell it completon also. Okay, completon, that is the circular one. Okay, one round one. Okay, complete circle. An angle whose measurement is exactly 360 degree, whose measurement comes exactly 360 degree, is called complete angle. Okay, whose measurement is 360 degree, that means we should understand that angle is complete angle. Okay, completon also. Okay, that forms the circle. Okay, you don't forget that. One complete round means it is the form of circle. Okay, now after this, look, there's given homework, okay, which you can take as the assignment. Okay, and you can define the following with examples. Okay, when you define these terms: acute angle, right angles, obtuse angle, reflex angle. Okay, please define this term with examples. Okay, I hope you all have understood today's class. Okay, you stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much.